You remember the drone I was talking about? As I'm shoveling, I bring all the snow over here, and I put exactly what I want it to be. And I don't know if you ever did. People. Wait a second. A quinzy. I don't know if you know what a quinzy is, but it's like an igloo, but it's just a big ball of snow that you let harden, then you dig inside, and I'll show it how to do that. Man, it's gonna slow like that for all weekend. If you focus, you'll see the snow. Maybe my camera, you know, my phone is pretty basic. Hey, look at that. Look. You see? Straight in your face. Feel the snow. That's how much snow that got piled up since this morning, 2 o'clock this morning. Pretty cool, right? If you live in Quebec, Canada, you know, you're like, oh, whoopsie, we don't care. But for me, if you are seeing this from far away where it's hot right now, man, this is the best feeling ever. It's not cold, no sound. For a city like Montreal, it's pretty rare. Yeah. Alright, so I just wanted to show a bit of the progress of the day. I couldn't really, because when it's snow like that and it goes onto the screen of my phone, it's like I'm leaving my thumb on the screen and I'm trying to press somewhere, so it doesn't work really. Look, that car just arrived like 20 minutes ago. Alright, ciao.